Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Mahmudul Rubel, and welcome to my VidCommission review. So, in this review, I'm gonna share with you all the things you need to know about VidCommission, the demo. I'm actually inside a VidCommission, so I'll share you how it works, and I will share with you their review, and I have also cool bonuses for you. I will share with you all the things. So get started. So what is bid commissions? Bid commission in a nutshell is a membership site that allow you to uh, create content that other people create. So you can use other people content to use in your membership site, so you don't need to create any content. So you can monetize your membership site with um, affiliate marketing or many monetization method. I will show you all of that. So first I will show you that their sales page. So they say discover how we are generate 1000 daily on complete autopilot with brand new secret underground traffic and sales app. So 100% done for you traffic and sales system, zero experience or tech skill required. So it has an ultimate copy and paste system. You automate traffic on demand. So 100% done for you system, so you don't need to anything do. So you just need to select your video and it done for you. So set for it, technology, no skill, experience, figures, all the things. So here are some proofs, testimonial. Okay, so here's so here is Glynn of creator of this product. So she is the product developer, top tier online marketer. So I know him personally. She's a very good marketer. So she created a lot of tools like this. So as you can see, it is a lot of things out here. So if you need, you can read here in GB page, so in link description below. So all the things they use. So I'll share you something. So here is the okay. So it is 100% guarantee, 6 months guarantee. So if you don't like this tool, you can they money back you if it is 6 months. So they also have some bonuses. So multiple free traffic software, 70 extra bonuses, guaranteed approval, high converting affiliate offers, bonus for exclusive live stream, and what's all cost. So here is 100% money back guarantee. So they will cover all the risks of your low investment. So it will be commission for 180 days full set up multiple profit factories. So make money or will PayPal you $75 in compensation. So that's it. So here I share with you these tools. So here is the main dashboard of VidCommission. So if you go here, first you find training. So you can, in this training, they tell you how you can use this software. So first what you need to do is you need to go to campaign builder. So after going campaign builder, okay, you need to first create a quiz paste and then create a login, a register URL, and then continue URL. So let me show you how it works. So here is a quiz paste URL, and here is a login register page. Here's a content. So okay, here is the opt-in page. So first you need to set up an opt-in page. The only way to make it. So after create an opt-in page, you need to, so it loading. So after you need to create this login page and register page. After that, what you need to do is go to YouTube search tool and find all the YouTube video you want to add your membership site. So you can, in this tab, you can add YouTube video here for your membership site. So search video collection or add collection here, and then in categories, so you can create category like marketing, like make money online. So whatever niche you are in, you can create all of the marketing and add this video. And another great things about, you can do affiliate marketing with your membership site also. Here you can find lot of products I can share with you here. So here you can find the Aweber, ClickFunnels, uh, SiteGround. So you can use this product, and if anyone can buy from you, you get affiliate commission. So that's very cool thing. So, and you also collect email address. You can add your autoresponder to it, and it has a built-in autoresponder. You can use it. You can also use your one autoresponder you have, like active campaign or other autoresponder. So you can also build a bonus app, so you can give away bonus for your customer. And here are conversion tools. So and there are free traffic, so you can use some of their tools here, so I can share with you. So here are some tool to use. Okay, so here are some tool: viral news jacker, tube traffic machine, you, and all the tools, and all you need to know about free traffic. So you can use this section to generate lot of traffic. And also license right, unlimited version, unlimited. So that's it. So you can use this bit commission to make lot of monies. All you need to do is with other people content, other people videos. So you just need to go YouTube and find relevant videos to your topic, to your niche, and just edit them, and then drive traffic to your membership site. And you can uh, uh, create premium membership site, or you can create free membership site. So when you create premium membership site, what happen is, when someone join your membership site, you get commission, you get money. So if you create a free membership site, so you can you can uh, earn money with affiliate marketing. So it is also easy. You can also other monetization method. So that's it. And now I'm share with you my bonuses. So here is my bonuses. So it is a very exclusive bonus, you can't find anywhere. So my first bonus is my messenger support 1 month. So I support you 1 month, I help you make money with bit commission with messenger support. So if you're struggling with bit commission, I help you to make money with bit commission. I help you how to generate traffic, how to do things very well. So my messenger support is 1 month, so you literally in 1 month make money. So now my number two is bonuses is how to make thousands with bit commission using free traffic. So it is my video course. So you can use this video course to make $1,000 with free traffic. So you don't need to paid to generate traffic, you just use some of my free method, and you can make you can generate thousand of traffic and make thousand of dollars. So and then 300 CPA every day, so it is a CPA course, so you can make $300 per every day. So this is the cool bonus. And another is 500 CPA. It is literally different from 300 CPA the formula, so it is allow you to make even more money with CPA marketing and underground traffic secrets. So and third bonus is $200 cash hack. So $200 cash hack, another awarded course by Glynn, and exclusive bonus. So super simple is making up to 200 per day. So and then 2K CPA traffic jagger, cash magnet, commission bliss, six-figure influx. So lot of bonus, $1 million toolbox, overnight commission toolbox, pure profit per day, 100 CPA daily commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission blueprint. So that is total 500 $197 of bonus. So if you want to this bonus, just go to my description below if you are in YouTube. So after that you just go to this page like this. So you need to just click here and buy this product, and you also get all the bonuses. Or you can email me, I also give a email in the description. So there are a lot of bonuses. I also help you make money with my messenger support. I help you make money with VidCommission with messenger support. So it is very exclusive exclusive bonus. So it is like mentorship. It is like so it is like mentorship. I mentorship you 1 month, so it is very good support. So and another very good how to make thousand with VidCommission with free traffic, my video course I give away for free. It is a I give away uh, all this my free method. So if you want to buy this product, just go description below and read uh, my VidCommission review, or you just need to go here and click here. After clicking here, you go to GB page where you can buy, and after that you get your bonus also. So thank you so much watching this review.